Your Dyson vacuum dustbin cannot open, you push really hard and nothing happens. And this video I'm going to show you how to fix that. And if you have the vacuum look like mine, no matter it's V10, V11, V15, it's the same fix. So what you need to do is you need to pull from the top to push it down. And if you pull really hard, nothing happens. Make sure you press this button here to push it down with your thumb until you hear the click sound. That means it's unlocked. And then you push hard from the top while holding this latch together, and slowly you should come out like this. All right, once you come out like that, you're 50% there already. So just keep pushing and keep pushing, and in the end give a little push on the latch here. This dustbin should pop right open, and turn your dustbin around. There's a little button here on this side. Press this button and the bin should come right out. And the next step is we need to lubricate all the rubber seals here. And in here we're using a baby powder. If you don't have baby powder, you can use cornflowers as well. And then we just lubricate all the seal rings here and there. After it's done, we close the lid, we grab our vacuum, we line up the bin runners from the hook here like so, and gently push it in, and now all the way, and lock in, and now we're done. And then open it up. You should open really easily like a bottle, like this. If still stuck, put more baby powder on, put some on your seal ring on here as well. Put some baby powder in the top of your Cyclones. It will definitely help with the stuck dustbin issues. And if this video helped you fix your vacuum, please don't forget to smash the like buttons and subscribe to the channel so your Dyson vacuum can live forever. And in the future, if any issues, you can find us easily. I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers.